So here is this growing app. It's called Dramabox, stream drama shorts. So this is like this vertical shorts movies app. It's one of the top ones in this category. There are a bunch of other apps, but I would really recommend you to try to use Dramabox. It's one of the top apps. So here it is, 43,000 ratings so far in top charts in the entertainment category in apps. So looking for something to watch during your daily commute, lunch break, or just unwind after a long day, look no further than Dramabox. With our app, you can access a huge selection of high quality content from some of the best creators out there. From indie films to award-winning TV series, we've got something for everyone. And with new content added regularly, you'll always have something fresh to watch. Stream your favorite shows and movies in HD quality. Discover new content based on your viewing preferences and what's trending in the app. Get personalized recommendations, ad-free streaming, create playlists. Let's just take a look at this app. And then here you have in the home, you have some series, but they just don't allow even to record just snippets. But it kind of looks like TikTok, but instead of like videos from creators, you have like full on TV series and movies. And then you can earn rewards. You can earn these coins, so you can follow them on TikTok, do daily check-ins, follow them on social media, do additional tasks and earn coins, and then watch this app for free, basically, just with the coins. Then you have also your profile. Here is your profile. You have you can start watching even without an account, but then if you want, you can go and create sign in with whatever, Facebook, Apple. So then you just have it here, and then you will have your watch history, help and feedback. Then you have settings. If you want, you can delete your account. So yep, that's the idea. And then you can also earn rewards, all interpreted. So you can only check in once per day. If you miss check-in day, your check-in streak will be reset and counted from the first day. The reward coins can only be used to watch dramas, valid for 7 days, and will be automatically expired and liquidated after expiration. You can check details in my wallet. So yeah, it's just important to read all of these rules here, and then just collect coins. And then I guess you can also just buy these coins if you wanna. So that's basically what it is. Try it out.